In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Etsy shop using Facebook ads. This is an amazing opportunity to reach a wider audience and potentially increase your sales, all with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Meta Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't logged in already, do so using your credentials. Once inside, you'll see the dashboard. Find the Create button, usually displayed prominently on the screen, and give it a click. Here, you are faced with a very important decision, choosing your campaign objective. For promoting an Etsy shop, you'll want to focus on driving traffic or directly boosting sales. Carefully select the option that best aligns with your goals. With your campaign objective in hand, it's time to move into the ad set. This is where we define our budget and schedule. Take a moment to think about how much you're willing to spend. A daily budget sets a cap on how much you spend each day, whereas a lifetime budget covers the entire campaign duration. Set these parameters thoughtfully to ensure you don't exceed your advertising budget. Next, it's crucial to define your audience. Facebook provides powerful targeting tools that allow you to specify your audience based on interests, location, and age. Imagine your ideal customer. Where do they live? What are their interests? You can tailor your ad specifically to reach this group of people. This step can greatly improve the effectiveness of your ad, making sure it reaches those who are most likely to be interested in your products. Once everything in the ad set is to your liking, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to the Ad Creative section. Now comes the fun part. It's time to showcase your products. Under the Ad Creative section, set up the visuals. This could be images or videos of your Etsy products. Ensure these are high-quality visuals that truly capture the essence of your creations. Don't forget to include a link to your Etsy shop so interested viewers can easily find more information or make a purchase. Finally, once you've double-checked all these details, it's time to publish your ad. Hit the Publish button and watch your reach expand. Facebook will start distributing your ad based on the criteria you've set, and soon you'll have new eyes on your Etsy shop. And there you have it. Promoting your Etsy shop on Facebook is a relatively straightforward process, but the impact can be significant. Make sure to monitor your ad's performance regularly to see how it's doing, adjusting any parameters to improve results if necessary. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your Etsy shop sees those well-deserved engagement and sales boosts.